drama in my eyes. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. I know my eyelashes look so gorgeous, right? So in today's video I am going to do a first impression and a review of Hainaa beauty products. I got a eyelash and a new blender they have recently launched. This is called Dabbit Precision Beauty Blender, and they have a previous beauty blender which was Dabbit Sponge. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is the beauty sponge. You can see it's dirty because I have done my makeup with this, and it is super duper soft. This comes in a packaging like this. This is a latex free sponge, by the way, and it can be used with liquid and powder products. So the price for this is $699. So now I'm going to insert a clip where I'm showing you before and after. You can see the size of this has increased a lot, and this is super duper soft. Oh my god, it feels really soft and amazing quality. So the first impression was wow, I'm very impressed with this. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. She didn't send me all of this. I bought this from my own money. I'm going to insert the first impression clip right now. So this sponge blended out my color corrector really well. That was very thick cream, but it blended out so well. Then I went ahead and applied my liquid foundation, and you can see it blended like a dream. Within a second, it just blended really nicely. Then after that I went with the concealer, again flawlessly blended. And lastly I went with the stick contour pencil by MAC, and it also blended out so nicely. It also helped me to bake my under eyes and set my face with it. You can also blend out your cream highlighter with this if you want. Previously I always wanted to buy that Dabbit previous sponge, but I couldn't. So this time I had to, and I think she did a great job. I think I really love this, and you should definitely give this a try. So if you want to buy this product, what you have to do is check out my description box below. I will mention the link to her website as well as Instagram page. So now I'm going to talk about the lashes which I'm wearing right now. It's dramatic, it's full dramatic, and it's one of my favorite. Fell in love when I saw this. It's like my kind of lash. The packaging, you can see it's so good. Oh my god, it looks really good, rose gold and pink. The lash I'm wearing is Amira. This one retails for ₹6.99, and this lashes feels really comfortable on my eyes. It has a thick lash band. She has different types of lashes from natural to dramatic. I think I would love to try more of this. I know the price is little bit expensive, but what you get is amazing. I think these lashes are great for bridals as well as party makeup lashes, and if you want natural, she has different types of lashes, so you can definitely check that out. And yes, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And there's a giveaway going on my previous videos, so make sure you check that out. And yeah, I hope to see you again on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all.